Hi, today we are going to make Babchi and Gotukula face serum. Babchi and Gotukula are Ayurvedic herbs which are known for their skin healing effects from a long time. I have been using this for more than 3 plus weeks and I see some improvement in my skin texture. To make this face serum, I am using Babchi and Gotukula powder. Babchi is also known as Bavanchi or Bavanchi Vittanalu. Gotukula is known as Brahmi or Centella asiatica or Saraswati. Babchi is a skin healing herb. It helps lighten and brighten the skin by reducing pigmentation and plumps the skin. It is an antibacterial, antioxidant and antifungal. Gotukula leaf and root have been used to support the health of skin, hair and nails in India. It promotes wound healing and minimizes scarring. I am also using green tea extract, which is a source of antioxidants and improves skin health. This serum, I would need Babchi and Gotukula infused glycerite. Water. I have heated the water for 15 minutes on a double boiler. I am using green tea extract, which is water soluble, guar gum to thicken the serum, and Geogard ECT is our preservative. To make this Babchi and Gotukula glycerite, I have infused Babchi powder and Gotukula powder in glycerin for 7 days and then filtered using some coffee filter and a cheesecloth. I am infusing pomegranate and grapes, black grapes similarly to make cream which will be posted next week. First, we would need 9.34 grams of water. You can use a hydrosol instead of the water. Next is the green tea extract, which is of 0.1 gram. Next goes the Babchi and Gotukula glycerite, which is of 0.5 gram. Next goes the preservative, Geogard ECT of 0.04 gram. The last one is the gelling ingredient, which is the guar gum. The guar gum is extracted from the guar beans. This is a thickener. Now we'll mix it thoroughly. Guar gum sometimes becomes clumsy and forms lumps, so mix it properly. Also a good idea to add guar gum in glycerin and then pour it into this mixture. I will leave it for a few minutes to hydrate and thicken a bit. I'll be pouring this into my container. As you see, it has some leftover. I've been using this from 3 weeks and I see an improvement in my skin texture and my acne marks. I am pasting my label. It's ready. And a quick demo. Apply few drops on your face and massage it. It sinks in quickly and has a dry feel. Today we have made some beautiful Babchi and Gotukula face serum which is easy and quick to make. I apply it in the morning and in night along with my moisturizer or a fruity cream which I'll be showing next week.